In this example, we're going to graph a systems of linear inequalities. So we're going to begin first by graphing line 1, and since it's in standard form, we can use the x and y intercepts to go ahead and quickly obtain our points. So there they are. So we're going to go ahead and graph those as 0 and down 4, over 4, stay at 0, and we're going to graph a solid line. Now we need to determine whether we're going to shade the upper or the lower boundary of that line. All we have to do is use the test point 0, 0, remove both the x and y and replace them with zeros and do the math and read the statement. Statement is 0 is less than 4. That is a true statement, and since we tested the upper region, which is at 0, 0, since that region is true, that means that everything up in the upper region is true, and that is where we would shade. We're not done with the problem because we now have to graph our second line and then determine where the solutions lies, or in other words, what region we're going to shade from line 2. So let's go ahead and move on to graphing line 2. Line 2 is a vertical line passing through the x-axis at -2, and that is also a solid line. So I'm going to go ahead and sketch that line. Now I need to determine, am I going to shade to the left of that line or to the right of that vertical line? We can use the test point 0, 0. Since we don't have a y, just remove the x and replace it with 0 and read the statement. The statement is 0 is greater than -2. 0, it is greater than -2. That's a true statement, which means my test point was located to the right of my vertical line, so I am going to shade to the right of my line. And notice we can automatically see the part that overlaps or that was double shaded, because that region and that region only is the solution of both linear inequalities. And there you have it.